This is Chris Keller with MusicGrid.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to convert video into the various web formats that you need, especially if you're using the video background widget, but you might want to use it with something else. So we're going to go through how we can create the video. We're using the Miro video converter, which is free, but it's donation based, so you can download it without giving a donation, but may I recommend that you do if you can, because this is such a great tool. It does a great job. If you're a Creative Cloud user or you've created video before, you may very well have other tools, but I like this tool because it's really simple and it does the job very, very well. So we've already downloaded it and installed it, which we have here, and let's open it up. It's a very straightforward interface. All we need to do is drag our video in. We put our video there, and then it gives us these loads of formats that we can export to. The two formats that we're looking at is MP4 and WebM. Those are the two video formats. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video thumbnail, and the reason we're going to do this is because we use that as our video background, our poster image, and we can also use it on pages where videos aren't supported. So let's go ahead and do that. We've got our video there. We're going to click on the settings tab here, click on create thumbnails, and we're going to leave everything exactly the same, and then we'll close out of the settings here, and we're going to choose our video format. We'll choose MP4 at this point, and it's already MP4, so we'll just click convert. Now that will go and run now, and it will generate this video.png. That's the first part that we're going to do. So once this is completed, we'll come back and take a look. So our encoding is now complete, so let's jump into the Finder and see where it's gone. So if we go into movies here, we have Miro video converter, thumbnails, and there we have our image. So if we take a look at that, so that's a nice sized image. Great, so we're going to pop that on the desktop, and we're going to rename that video. That's just so that it works with our widget straight off. You could call it whatever you like, and you could change the name in the widget or wherever you're going to use it. We're just going to call it that for the time being. Right, next we're going to do the smaller MP4. So we want this to be about, let's say, 700 pixels wide, dimensions wise, to keep the video file small. Now it will automatically scale on the page where we're using it, so let's make that smaller. So we're going to choose, we don't need the thumbnail anymore, custom size and custom aspect ratio. Choose 69 to keep it the dimensions we want. So if we put in here 700, it's going to automatically generate the height. Then choose the format. We're going to choose MP4, close out the settings, and click convert to custom. Now that's running, and it'll create the MP4 file, the smaller MP4 file. So once that's done, we'll take a look at creating the WebM file. So let's go back to our Finder. We'll go back to our movies here and Miro video converter, and there's our video. Now we have the MP4 there of the same name, so we're going to change its name here. We're just going to call that video, and we're going to drag that onto our desktop so that we can see that that's complete. So next we're going to do the WebM file. So we go through exactly the same process. We drag the file onto the page here, go into our settings, custom 69, 700 in here, and then choose our format, video, WebM SD for this particular one, close the settings, and then hit the convert. So now that's complete, we'll go into our Finder here, movies, Miro video converter, and there's our video. We can drag that on because it's a different file name, so we can drag that on and change it here, video. And now we have the videos, we have the video and the image file that we need for background, the background video widget if we're using that, or we can use it in any other way that we want. You'll notice that although we have a preview on the MP4, we can hit that and we can see the video running there. We don't have a preview as such for the WebM, but if we right click on it and open with Google Chrome, then we should be able to see the video playing there to make sure that everything's working. So just to recap what we've done, we've used the Miro video converter, we've taken our video in, we've exported a video.png so that we've got a screen grab of the first frame of the video to use as a background image and a poster image. We've exported the MP4 video and the WebM video, so we have everything we need now to use in our web pages. If you're using our video full screen video background widget, we have a video showing you how to use that if you take a look in the tutorials. If you're using some other method, then we look forward to hearing from you if you want to tell us how you're using video in your sites. And thanks for watching.